Hi guys, it's me Lady Gagita, and today I am Miranda Singh. Hello guys! Welcome to my third Ask Gagera episode. As usual, nakatanggap naman po ako ng napakaraming katanungan. Pasensya na po sa mga ibang hindi ko po nasagot. Kailangan po kasi have yung questions nyo. So dapat next time, if you're gonna ask me a question, make your friends like your comment. Start from question number 1. It's from Raven Adela. Who is your favorite RuPaul's Drag Race queens? Hindi ko kasi sila kilala lahat. I don't know them personally because I'm not a RuPaul's Drag Race fan. But I shall say, since favorite siya ni Lady Gaga, Miss Courtney Act. Question number 2 is from Zian Lopez. Kaya mo bang i-impersonate si Isha? Easy. Question number 3 is from Gerald Kalising Ugay. Hi Lady Gagita. How often do you have sex? What? That's porn. How often do you have been with your boyfriend Raymond Sabalsa in a week? 3 times a week with my babe. Oh. Question number 4 is from Alexandria McAdams. Ano yung pinakamahirap gawin na music video ni Lady Gaga? Well, as for my experience, pinakamahirap na music video na nagawa namin is yung GUY. Because palipat-lipat kami ng location. Yung time na yun kasi bumagyo, hindi namin matapos-tapos ang video dahil sa bagyo. Question number 5 is from Maria Carol Angelica Paro. Hello po. Iniimbento niyo lang po ba yung mga makeup tutorials ninyo or sinisearch niyo po? PS, galing niyo mag-makeup. Well, thank you for the compliment. Ginagawa ko lahat ng mga makeups ko and binibase ko talaga siya sa totoong artist. Meron naman siguro akong inspiration sa pag-makeup. It's Paolo Ballesteros. 100% sure I myself invented my own makeup techniques. Question number 6 is from Jumar Kapili. Lady Gagita, ano ang pinakamahal na nabili mong wig? Yung teal wig na naginamit ko sa UNI and that cost 3,200 pesos. I bought it from Linel. That's too costly. Question number 7 is from Urgy Canilas. Sino po ang pinaka-paborito nyong sikat na YouTuber at bakit? Myself. Miranda Sings. Miranda Sings is a fine threat. She can do singing, dancing, acting, modeling, magicianing, everything. Question number 8 is from Nathan Potenciano. Sa tingin mo, magtatagal ba ang J-Babe 20? Is that even a question? No comment na lang ako sa kanila. Question number 9 is from Jai Germanota. Hi Lady Gagita. Kung isa kang kanta ni Lady Gaga, ano yon at bakit? Siguro Ayayay Pag-ibig. I think Gypsy is the perfect song for me because... Stop! I'm filming a video! So annoying. I really relate to the lyrics of Gypsy. I'm a gypsy myself. I said goodbye to my family and friends. I work here in Manila alone. I've been to many places just for doing shows. Question number 10 is from Daniel Fox or Ashley Homawan. Please, sino po ang una niyong naging idol? Beyonce Knowles. Question number 11 is from Kev Calderon. What is Victoria's Secret? What? Victoria's Secret is actually a perfume that you can buy at the Victoria and it only costs 100 pesos. Question number 12 is from Lizzie Konzuji. Hi Lady Gagita, gaano po kayo ka-sweet ni Raymond Sabalsa? We are really sweet in our own ways. Ako sweet ako na showy ako. I'm very very showy. Siya naman, sweet siya pero hindi siya ganun ka-showy. But really caring and loving and very very concerned. Although very seloso siya in some ways. Pero gusto ko yun. Pinagsisilosan ako kasi feeling ko maganda ako at mahaba ang hair ko. Question number 13 is from Adri Perry. Hi! Anong brand ng makeup ang gamit mo sa tuwing nagbe-makeup transformation ka? Iba-iba naman yung mga brand na ginagamit ko sa pagbe-makeup ko. Kukoryo for the best foundation. Suki ng mga bakla yun. Kaubusan na nga sa isitan niya. Finally Serrano for my eyeshadow. Ever Belena for the eyeliners. And Fashion 21 for the face powder. Question number 14 is from Jessen Suela Bulati. Patanong nga, hehehe, in all relationship you have from the past until now, who gave you the best love that you're looking for in a partner and why? Obviously speaking, I found the best love from Raymond. Sa kanya ko nakita ang quality ng isang lalaki na wala sa ibang lalaki. Hindi siya nagbibilang ng mansari. Lagi akong naaalagaan. Nag-enjoy ako sa relationship namin kasi parang naging partner ko lang siya sa kalokohan ko, sa pag-impersonate ng kung sino-sino. And we do viral videos and we slay. Question number 15 is from Justin Kate Danao. Ano pet peeves nyo ni Mondi sa isa't isa? Bakit si Raymond Sabalsa ang laging nasa question? Ayaw niyo ba siyang tantanan? Sa akin, pet peeves ko sa kanya is yung pagiging parang nanay niya. Parang sinisita niya lahat ng mga ginagawa ko kahit pangungulangot ko sa publiko. Pet peeves niya naman sa akin. Napakaligalig ko. Pag nasa public place kami, naharot ako, lagi ko siyang inaasal. Question number 16 from Crystal Goddess. Kung may pagkakataon kang i-post ang mundo ng 5 araw kasama ang mga mahal mo sa buhay, anong gagawin mo? Siguro magra-rugby kami, tapos magluluksong teammate, charing. Magpapapiesta ako, at saka more bonding, more fun, more chikahan. Magpapaturo ako sa nanay ko ng tong 8 steps. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano yon, pero siya napaka-expert niya. Question number 17 is from Louie Yamon. Kung magiging isang babae ka, anong ipapangalan mo sa iyong sarili? Kung magiging babae ako, ang ipapangalan ko sa sarili ko ay Boz_Maldita 27 walang titibag. I've always want this name since I was a child. I want to name myself Denise Leia Joy, in contrast with my name Vinzon Leo J. Question number 18 is from Gail Warhol Randon. Oh, it's Neggy Minaj. Pwede nyo po bang pangalanan ang mga kaaway nyo at ano po ang mensahe nyo sa kanila? Girl, you're so mapagbiro. Can't name them all because there are too many of them. One thing is for sure, I wanna say, haters back off? Question number 19 is from Roderick Diza. Bakit ayaw nyo pong magparody kay Taylor Swift? Sana kahit yung love story lang po niya. Hindi po ako nagpa-parody na Taylor Swift kasi hindi ko naman po siya kamukha. Ba't ko naman po pagpipilitan yung sarili ko? Last but not the least, question number 20 is from Rowie Adarno. Anong meron ka na wala sa'yo? Once, yung kulangot ko. Kasi kakakulangot ko lang kanina, tapos wala na siya sa akin ngayon. So, hanggang siya so good. And that is the questions for today. Napakaganda ng mga questions niyo, pero majority of your questions andun si Raymond Sabalsa. So, dapat na nga, i-guess ko na nga si Justin Bieber dito sa show na to. Kumbinsihin niyo siya kasi ayaw niya na mag-guess dito. Ayaw niya sumali sa ka-famehuran ko. Anyway, on my 4th episode, I'll be collaborating with 2 YouTubers. That is Pancho Maniquez, Cooking ng Ina Mo, and Clara Saplala, Clara the Third. And you may ask questions for me or for the 3 of us or any challenges that you want us to do. Kahit anong tanong, either silly questions man yan or mga kababuyan ba yan, go lang ng go. Just comment below. And don't forget to like this video. Just comment kung sino ang gusto yung impersonate ko sa next kong video. This is Lady Lugita as Miranda Sing. Now, signing off.
At ang featured fan of the week ay si